In the UK construction industry, the terms insolvency, bankruptcy, liquidation, and administration hold significant implications. This is due to the sector's complex project financing, contractual relationships, and cash flow challenges. Here's how the terms relate specifically to the construction industry. Before we dive in, we're thrilled to share that our channel now boasts over 20,000 subscribers. However, it's intriguing to note that the vast majority of our users haven't subscribed yet. If you're looking for a meaningful way to support us, hitting that subscribe button makes a huge difference. We've been consistently releasing new videos every Wednesday since March 2020, and your subscription helps us keep up this momentum. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. Insolvency. Insolvency represents a critical financial state where a construction firm or a contractor is unable to meet its financial obligations as they become due. This can be particularly impactful in construction due to the sector's reliance on timely payments and cash flow to manage ongoing projects. Insolvency can manifest as 1. Cash flow insolvency. This is common in construction, where delays in receiving payments for completed stages of a project can hinder a company's ability to pay its suppliers, subcontractors, or employees. And number 2, balance sheet insolvency. This occurs when a construction company's total liabilities surpass its assets, often exacerbated by underquoted projects or unforeseen costs. Bankruptcy. Bankruptcy pertains more to individuals or sole traders within the construction industry, such as independent contractors rather than companies. It's a legal process that offers relief from debts, but can lead to the cessation of business operations. In the context of the UK construction industry, bankruptcy could affect the availability of skilled tradesmen and disrupt ongoing projects. Liquidation. Liquidation involves winding up a construction company and selling its assets to pay off debts. This can be particularly disruptive in construction as it may lead to incomplete projects, loss of jobs, and financial losses for suppliers and clients. Voluntary liquidation might occur when a construction company's directors decide to cease operations, while compulsory liquidation can happen when creditors petition the court due to unpaid debts. And finally, administration. Administration is aimed at rescuing a financially distressed construction company. An administrator takes over the company's management to maximize creditors' returns, possibly through reconstructing or selling the business. This process can provide a lifeline to a viable construction firm facing temporary difficulties, potentially preserving jobs and completing ongoing projects. In summary, insolvency indicates a firm's inability to pay its debts, often leading to bankruptcy for individuals or liquidation for companies, which signifies the end of the business operations. Administration offers a potential path for recovery, focusing on reconstructing or selling the business to settle debts, while attempting to save jobs and projects. The impact of these processes in construction is profound, affecting not just the companies involved, but also the wider network of subcontractors, suppliers, and clients, and the completion of construction projects. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.